How to enable or disable live caption in volume control on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, we go down and tap on live caption. Now scroll down and then tap on live caption in volume control. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on in your volume control, and if you tap on more, there is a live caption shortcut right here, so you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So if you want to turn it off, so here, if you want to switch it off, you can turn off the toggle button, and you can see in my volume control now, it will hide that live caption shortcut. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.